Weak Wi-Fi. Everyone knows the problem. If your wireless home network signal has to travel long distances or go through walls and ceilings, the reception will keep getting weaker. The result? Surfing at a snail's pace. If Wi-Fi doesn't cover the whole home despite all your attempts to make it work, help is at hand with Devolo Wi-Fi Repeater. This Wi-Fi repeater stops the poor Wi-Fi signals and increases the range in no time. The principle is quite simple. Plug the Wi-Fi repeater into the power outlet, connect to the existing Wi-Fi at the touch of a button, and you're done. Aside from a power outlet, the repeater needs no other connections and therefore is ready to use in no time. The Wi-Fi repeater performs best when positioned between the router and the room which is to be supplied with wireless internet. The repeater receives the Wi-Fi signal, processes it, and sends it on as an amplified signal. In doing so, the Devolo Wi-Fi repeater increases the original range of the Wi-Fi router. The Wi-Fi router and Wi-Fi repeater use the same network. Thus, mobile devices such as smartphones, tablets and laptops automatically access the best connection. Setup is easily done at the touch of a button. The WPS button makes installing the repeater as easy as child's play. WPS is a standardized process for easily and securely coupling two Wi-Fi devices. For more information on solutions for your home network, visit devolo.co.uk. Devolo, the network innovation.